The video by JerryRigEverything showcases the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra, a stackable and modular portable solar battery system, ideal for whole home backup power.
And my favorite by far is the stackable EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra.
Zach highlights its easy expandability, portability for emergency use, and integration with solar panels to achieve self-sufficient energy. The system allows charging electric vehicles using excess solar power with a simple installation process that can be done by homeowners or electricians.
Charge up an electric vehicle using only excess solar energy.
The video also covers solar panel mounting, grounding for safety, and the smart home panel that manages loads and switches seamlessly between battery and grid power.
The loads panel splits into two pieces for easier installation.
Overall, the setup offers a cost-efficient, reliable off-grid power solution, especially valuable during extreme weather events like Texas snowstorms. Well, that's around 14 minutes saved. See you next time.